All right, want to take a look at this new Honda iGX800 fuel injection. Takes a lot to impress me. This motor's impressed me. It's got a lot of nice features on it. It's got throttle, which our other units don't. This way you can throttle up for CAL compliance, for CARB, California Air Resource Board, to keep that engine running top notch. It is a 12 volt, which goes against our normal, but we've been working with a 12 volt manufacturer on the burner. So far so good, but what an engine. We're getting 8 at 4,000 on these. So 8 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI. Kind of a surprise. I like to underrate the equipment, but that's what we're getting out of this unit. So this is really a nice setup here. Customer opted for the heavier duty trailer. Take a look at that extra steel on this trailer. So obviously more steel, longer the life. So this is a 10K trailer. 6 lug, you can see that. Nice alloy spoke wheels. We're in a supply and demand world. It's hard to get rims. So I'll keep going over this unit. This does have the gasoline soft wash batch mix. So we'll take a look at that. It's got the heavy duty Steel Eagle surface cleaner. We love that surface cleaner. Literally got over 1,000 of them out. Rarely do we have a problem. Germans really did good on that. This is the Honda with the P36 soft wash system. Good setup. Love the Honda. Soft wash pumps are all, no matter what anybody tells you, they're all irritable. That's a good term. Sure runs great. Better than the electric. Nice upgrade. But they are temperamental. And of course, we're pumping some pretty strong detergents. This detergent tank, so given that it's a batch tank, it's a 55 gallon tank. Got a drain on it. You can look at the setup. It's got the, flip the line here, you can go rinse, or you can draw the water out of the this tank. Just follow the arrow there. 200 feet of special poly hose, Curry Tech hose, 600 PSI hose. Put a stainless fitting on there. We know it's eventually gonna leak, but sure handy. And the hose reel, the gun, eventually that gun's gonna give out, 35 bucks, 60 bucks, depending on where you get it. So I just kind of want to take a minute and go over that. Gun holders, rear light. This has the upgrade package, of course, with the mags. Didn't have signage. Probably do his own sign. There's that Beckett, the new 12 volt Beckett. That's a good burner. So far so good. We've been running these, close to a year, that new Honda. So what a good looking rig. I mean, that looks like when you show up at a job site, I mean, you mean business, right? That'll look like you're showing up with your Home Depot special, and that's why we do what we do, and that's why we supply the guys that are serious about the business. Beautiful day here. Look at the snow-capped mountains here in Salt Lake. Thanks for your time. Call if you need a quote on this setup. Prices are changing daily on steel and anything coming from Europe, which everybody's pump does. So, and they're not going down. Take care.